Apple Maps data can sometimes take up a huge amount of storage. Some people are even reporting 18 gigabytes of storage just by Maps alone. Obviously, the first choice would be to delete the Maps app from the iPhone and reinstall it, but that hasn't really worked for a lot of people. The likely reason why this is happening is usually because of offline maps, or sometimes it's just cached files from CarPlay or something like that. From what I've seen online, a lot of people were able to fix that with a simple software update. So I would 100% recommend you to try to that first. Also, if you have any offline maps downloaded, you can remove them and free up some storage option. Besides that, even though it's not really a solution, but it would technically solve the issue, and it's wiping the iPhone entirely clean and then restoring your iPhone from backup. I know probably not ideal, but I have to mention it as well. So these are the things you should know about. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I really do hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and you can make sure you'll see one of these videos in the future.